Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Crack It. Haven't you subscribed our YouTube channel? So please subscribe our YouTube channel and please click on the bell icon to get notifications. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a job opportunity which is Wipro. Work Integrated Learning Programming 2021. So Work Integrated Learning Program is a unique learning integrated program. So it is offering BSc and the BCA students giving a chance to build a remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in MTech from a premier educational institution in India that is sponsored by Wipro. Now let's see the eligibility criteria of this Wipro WILP. So you should be passed in 10th standard and as well as in 12th standard. In graduation you should have 60% or 6.0 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. And you should be 2021 pass out. Now let's see the qualification. You should be a Bachelor of Computer Application, it is BCA, and Bachelor of Science, that is BSc, and eligible streams are Computer Science, Information Technology, Mathematics, Statistics, Electronics and Physics. So in order to apply for this Wipro WILP, you should be followed these. And other criteria. Mandatory to have studied core mathematics as one subject in graduation. So you should study a core mathematics in graduation. And business maths and applied maths will not be considered as a core mathematics in graduation. So maximum of 3 years of gap, education gap, if any, is allowed between 10th and graduation. So 3 years of education gap is allowed, and no gaps are allowed in graduation. So graduation should be completed within 3 years, and education should be regular full-time only in 10th, 12th, and graduation recognized by central or state government of India. And you should not have any backlogs at the time of selection process. You should be cleared at the time of selection process. And you should be an Indian citizen or should hold a PIO or OCI card in the event of holding a passport of any other country. And Bhutan and Nepal nationals need to submit their citizen certificate. And candidates who have participated in the selection process held by Wipro in the last 3 months are not eligible. So if you have participated in this Wipro WILP in the past 3 months, you should not able to apply this Wipro WILP. And stipend details. So first year stipend is for 15,000 plus 488, it is in ESI, and second year stipend 17,000, and third year stipend is 19,000, and fourth year stipend is 23,000. Service agreement. So on joining, candidates would be required to sign a service agreement for 60 months. So for this Wipro WILP, there is 60 months service agreement bond and selection process. So every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment details appended for your reference. So there will be 4 rounds. First round is online assessment, that is of 80 minutes, and the other is aptitude test, in that verbal, analytical, quantitative. So each section has 20 minutes. You will be having 20 questions, and the third round is written communication test. It is of 20 minutes. So upon selection in the online assessment, candidates will be required to go through a technical interview, followed by, and again there will be an HR interview. So if you participated in any past 3 months, so you are not eligible. And last date to apply for this Wipro WILP hiring is 15th July 2021. So this assessment will be informed by a registered email letter. So if you have any queries, you can mail to this manager.campus@wipro.com. So this is about today job hiring, guys. We'll meet next with any job update. Thank you, guys. Apply link is given in the description of the video. Apply as early as possible. Thank you, guys.